Hello learners, today we will continue the chapter active and passive voice. Present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, in active voice is calling, are calling, am calling is there. Okay. Then we have to change it into is being called, are being called, am being called. Okay. One example is given here. Saroj is calling Geeta to the gardener. Okay. So what you have to do? First change the place Geeta and Saroj, and in place of calling, called will come, and is there, then you have to use is being called. Okay. Then Geeta is being called by Saroj to the garden. Complete? Understand? The next question is fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs in the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, always you have to use is being verb third form, are being verb third form. Okay. So first one, crackers. It is plural. So here what will come? Are being burst. Next one, the newspaper article, singular. So is being edited. The social workers, plural. Then are being served. Many celebrities are being invited. Next is the new shampoo, singular. So is being promoted. All the trains then are being diverted. Kites, plural, are being made. New school is being established. Okay, according to the subject is singular, you have to use is, and plural you have to use are. In present continuous tense you have to use is being verb third form, are being verb third form. Okay. The new school, the boundary wall is being painted to give it a new look. Past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, in active voice, was calling or were calling. In place of was calling, you have to write was being called, and were calling change into were being called. Okay. Example, the carpenter was cutting wood. Okay. The carpenter was cutting wood. It is in active voice. In passive voice, the wood was being cut by the carpenter. Okay. Wood will come first, carpenter here, and was, in place of was you have to write was being, and verb always third form. Okay. Was being cut. If were is there, then if woods is there, okay, then the woods were being cut by the carpenter. Okay. Next question, fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs in the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense you have to use were being and was being, always verb third form in passive voice. So first one, saplings were being sown by farmers in the farm. The fields were being irrigated to ensure that there was sufficient water supply. For uninterrupted water supply, the tube wells were being switched on. It seems the crop would be ready in a few months for harvesting. Understand? You have to use only in past continuous tense was being and were being. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of verb in the past continuous tense. Same formula you have to use. Were being and verb third form. Was being verb third form. Okay. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, in active voice, has called. Okay. Has and verb third form is given already. Then you have to change it into has been called. In passive voice you have to add been. Okay. Has been called or have been called. One example, the auto rickshaw drivers have declared a strike. Then a strike will come first. Okay. At first always you change the place. Okay. Place of object and subject. Okay. A strike, then here it is have, but according to the subject is singular, then we have to use has. Okay. And has been. In present perfect tense you have to use has been. Has been declared by the auto rickshaw driver. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of verb in the present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, you have to use has been verb third form and have been verb third form. Antibiotics have been prescribed, shoots of the apple tree have been pruned, high rise office complexes have been constructed. A big wall, it is singular, so here has been dug in the village. Now past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, in active voice already we use only had. So had and verb third form. You have to only use been in past perfect tense. Okay. Example, the officer had informed the minister about the completed project. Then the minister had already given, you have to use had been informed by the officers about the completed project. Okay. First change the place of subject and object. Okay. Now fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs in the past perfect tense. Like first one, the fan had been repaired, ground had been cleared, books had been arranged. Okay, in this way you have to complete it. Next, fill in the blanks with the passive form of verb with the past perfect tense. Same way, always in past perfect tense you have to use had been and verb third form. Okay, in this way you have to complete it. Now future perfect tense. In future perfect tense, in active voice, will have and verb third form. Okay, will have called. Then passive voice, will have been called. Okay, in active voice, will have called is given, then you have to use will have been called. Example, the contractor will have constructed the dam before the onset of rainy season. Okay, then you have to change first the dam will have been. Okay, you have to use only been. Will have been constructed by the contractor before onset of rainy season. In the same way, blanks you have to fill. It is future perfect tense you have to use. Then will have been and verb third form, demolished, demolished. Okay, second one also will have been and stitch